Today we're turning your colorful footage into a stunning black and white masterpiece. Whether you're going for a vintage vibe, a cinematic style, or creative storytelling, black and white can make your videos pop. Start by adding your clip to the timeline in the edit page. Select the clip and navigate to the color page. This is where the magic happens. In the color page, locate the color wheels panel. You'll find a small saturation slider just below the primary wheels. Drag the saturation all the way down to remove all color from the clip. Instantly, your video becomes black and white. Now let's enhance the look, adjust the shadows and highlight values to adjust the depth of the clip. This gives your black and white video a polished and dynamic feel. If you want even more control, head over to the curves panel. Here, you can tweak the tonal range, refining the brightness of specific areas to make your footage stand out. Once you're satisfied, preview your timeline and admire your monochrome masterpiece. Black and white videos are timeless, and with DaVinci Resolve, it's easier than ever to achieve this look. And that's it. You've learned how to convert your video to black and white while enhancing its visual impact. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more editing tips,